Hello students, welcome to our channel, Grade 9 Geography, Unit 1 Tutorials. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Lesson 8. Landforms in Ethiopia, Western Highlands, and associated lowlands. Ethiopia's landforms are varied and unique. Ethiopia's landforms are varied and unique. They include mountains, plateaus, valleys, and lowlands. These landforms or features were formed by two forces over millions of years. They are endogenic forces from inside the Earth, like volcanoes, and exogenic forces on the surface, like erosion. These forces created three main physiographic divisions. They are Western Highlands and associated lowlands, Southeastern Highlands and associated lowlands, and the Rift Valley. Ethiopia is called the roof of Eastern Africa due to its high elevation. This lesson focuses on the Western Highlands and their associated lowlands. We will learn about their features, rivers, and importance. What are landforms? Landforms are natural shapes on the Earth's surface. Ethiopia has many types, like highlands, plateaus, and lowlands. The highest point is Ras Dashen at 4,620 meters. The lowest is the Dowell Depression, 125 meters below sea level. About 56% of Ethiopia's land is highlands, above 1,000 meters. The Rift Valley, a large crack, cuts through the country. It stretches from Syria to Mozambique. How were these landforms formed? The forces shaped Ethiopia's landforms. Endogenic forces come from inside the Earth, like volcanoes and tectonic shifts. Exogenic forces work on the surface, like erosion and weathering. These forces together created Ethiopia's landscapes. This lesson covers the Western Highlands and Lowlands, one of the three main regions. The Western Highlands. The Western Highlands are Ethiopia's largest region. They cover 40% of the country. They stretch from Tigray in the north to Gamo-Gafa in the southwest. The Rift Valley separates them from the southeastern highlands. Major rivers, like Abe, Baro, and Tekezi, start here. These rivers are important for Ethiopia's role in regional politics. The Western Highlands have four subregions: Plateau of Tigray, North-Central Massifs, Plateau of Shua, and Southwestern Highlands. Plateau of Tigray. The Plateau of Tigray is the northernmost subregion. It lies between the Merib and Tekezi rivers. Its mountains include Mount Sibit 3,988 meters, Mount Ambalaj 3,291 meters, and Mount Asimba 3,248 meters. The plateau is made of sandstone and limestone. Erosion has made the soil thin and poor. Human activity over time has worsened this erosion. B. North-Central Massifs. The North-Central Massifs are rugged plateaus between the Abe and Tekezi gorges. They include Gondar, Gojam, and Wallo. Deep gorges and small arable areas called ambas are found here. Major peaks include Ras Dashen, 4,620 meters, Legata 4,532 meters, and Abuna Yosef 4,190 meters. The Gojjam Massif is a large, flat tableland. This region grows crops like teff, pulses, and oilseeds. See Plateau of Shua. The Plateau of Shua is the smallest subregion. It is dome-shaped and divides water between the Abay, Awash, and Omogaib rivers. It is separated from other regions by gorges and rivers. Key peaks are Mount Abay Medha 4,000 meters and Mount Garage 3,721 meters. This plateau helps control water flow in Ethiopia. D. Southwestern Highlands. The Southwestern Highlands are south of the Abay Trough. They receive heavy rainfall, about 1,500 millimeters yearly, making them Ethiopia's wettest region. They include Welaga, Ilubabur, Jimma, Kefa, and Gamo-Gafa. Rivers like the Dabis, Didisa, and Omogaib drain this area. The highest peak is Mount Giu, 4,200 meters. This region is known for coffee, spices, timber, and maize. The Western Lowlands. The Western Lowlands stretch from Tigray to Gamo-Gafa along the Sudan border. Their elevation is 500 to 1,000 meters. They have a dry, arid climate. The Boroakobo lowland is the wettest, with steady river flow. Subregions include Tekezi and Angarib lowlands, Abay Dinder lowlands, Boroakobo lowlands, and Omogaib lowlands. People here are mostly pastoralists due to the harsh climate. Towns like Humera and Natema are trade hubs. In summary, Ethiopia's Western Highlands and Lowlands are key to its geography. The Highlands have mountains, plateaus, and rivers that support farming and regional influence. The Lowlands are dry and support pastoral life. These landforms, shaped by natural forces, make Ethiopia unique in East Africa. Review questions? 1. What are the two main forces that shaped Ethiopia's landforms, and how do they work? Answer. The two main forces are endogenic and exogenic forces. Endogenic forces come from inside the Earth, like volcanic activity and tectonic shifts, which build mountains and plateaus. Exogenic forces work on the Earth's surface, like erosion and weathering, which wear down rocks and shape valleys. 2. Name the 4 subregions of the Western Highlands and one major peak from each. Answer. The 4 subregions are O Plateau of Tigray, Mount Sibit 3,988 meters. O North Central Massifs, Ras Dashan 4,620 meters. O Plateau of Shua, Mount Abay Medha 4,000 meters. O Southwestern Highlands, Mount Giu 4,200 meters. 3. Why are the Western Lowlands important, and what is one characteristic of the Boroakobo lowland? Answer. The Western Lowlands are important for pastoralist communities and trade, with towns like Humera and Metema serving as trade hubs. The Boroakobo lowland is the wettest lowland, with steady river flow, unlike the drier climate of other lowlands. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.